Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Ashimary again. All right. They put their elastic headband on the box. It's branded Ashimary, and you know everything is branded as usual. So getting straight into it, first thing I'm seeing is the wig, which we're gonna get into. But before that, let's go through the goodies. So I got an edge brush and comb. I got a robe. Okay. I also got a pair of HD wig caps, another Ashimary headband, a razor blade perfect, to cut your lace if it needs to be cut. And then we have a pair of lashes. That's everything that I got for the goodies today. Now let's get into the hair. Today's wig looks like this. We're working with a gorgeous water wave wig, guys. So this is a 360 lace front wig. And what I needed to know, what's so special about today's wig, is the first time I'm trying a wig like this. It is called the INVISI-STRAP Snug Fit 360 lace front, transparent lace frontal, bleach knots, pre-cut lace wig. You hear how much going on with this wig? You could actually wear this wig glueless as well because it has all the security. So it's an ultimate upgraded wig. It has the INVISI straps, which are in the back here. You can see it's like, you see, it's like that transparent vibe, and it's on both sides, so you can adjust it, you can tighten it, and so it could be snugged to your head. And then you have removable combs. Yes, you can remove the combs. You see that? And you could go ahead and push it back in. And I personally love when the combs are in the back of my wig because it really helps with security. Yeah, it really helps with security on the back of my head. So I just put it back in. Yeah, so the combs are removable within the wig cap. Then they added the adjustable strap, which I feel like is so important in making your wig stay snug on your head. So this, for one, is a great upgrade. They have the regular adjustable strap, and then they have removable combs, and it's 3 of them. Now the lace is pre-bleached and pre-tinted. It is pre-cut as well, you know, so if you're not versed in all of that, it's already done for you. And as I said, it's a 360 construction, guys, so you can wear this in an updo and it looks very realistic. Okay, the texture is water wave. The length of this wig is 26 inches long, and it's 250% in density. Listen, man, this is so full. It is such a juicy wig. Listen, this is gorgeous. The construction, everything, it's definitely a total upgrade, and I'm trying it for the first time. I am so excited, guys, and know that I've showed you guys that it's also pre-plucked, by the way. So you see that looks really natural. Now that you guys have seen that, let's go ahead and get into this easy installation. I went ahead and adjusted the INVISI straps in the back, which is pretty straightforward. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the elastic band. Now what I do in the back is I take the comb and I kind of just push it in. That's how that is looking. Remember, everything is already pre-cut for you, and I absolutely love that. I might need to cut a little bit off the sides, but everything so far feels very secure on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and just take off a little bit on the sides. There's a little cast in the front, but we're gonna fix that in a few. I'm just so excited to be trying something like this. This is the ultimate upgraded 360 wig because what? I've never tried anything like this. So I just customize the side there a little bit. I think I'm gonna tack right here with some with some of my spray, just so that it doesn't, you know, flip up like that, because that's what will happen if I leave it like that. But that's gonna be it. It looks so good. Before I go ahead and do anything else, I'm just gonna use a little bit of my spray to tap the sides though. So all I'm gonna go ahead and do is cut away the very edge, and if you notice, they did the zigzag edge so things can appear more natural, but the very edge doesn't have like any hair at all. So I'm just gonna kind of try to mimic the zigzag pattern and just cut that piece of lace away, because this will minimize like that casty look. So the next thing I'm gonna do before going any further is just using some powder to further tap away any castiness. I'm just gonna do a little curly vibe with the side. I want to do like a high ponytail with this. Now this is just a rough ponytail, just to show you guys how you're able to go ahead and do this in an updo, and it's glueless. Like, hold on, let me show you, because I don't want you guys to think that I went ahead and sneak some adhesive on the rest of it apart from the ear portion. No, I didn't. Okay, and the back looks amazing. This looks so good. Like the scalp and everything looks so natural. Be mindful, as I said, you could go ahead, you could do a nice braided style if you wish. Like, look at that. It looks like scalp, guys. Like scalp. And I absolutely love it. Yeah, man. So I'm just gonna do a nice, you know, classic side part, center part. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, kind of spray this down, kind of mist it with some water. I don't want like an extreme wet look. I just want it to look, you know, redefine the waves. That's all. Okay, so that looks really good. Ooh, you see, I didn't have to apply any product to the party, and everything looks very realistic. The hair is super full. This is so gorgeous, and I didn't want to get it like super drenched because I want to keep that fluffy vibe going with it. Ashimary, you knew what you were doing. This is so pretty. This is such a pretty wig. Like, let me know what you guys think, because this is the first like that I've ever tried that's constructed like this. A whole glueless 360 wig. Come on, it doesn't get much better than this, does it? Yeah, I feel like they definitely did their thing on this. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Guys, feel free to go ahead and get it and experiment as much as you want, as well as you can still go ahead and apply glue if you wish, if you want to wear it for a prolonged period and you don't want to take it off and put it back on and all that stuff, feel free to go ahead and do whatever you wish. Okay, but yeah, I hope you guys found this video today informative. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and the discount code available will be in the description box as well. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.